how to run a benchmark test on your PC or laptop. So first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for user benchmark and then open it up. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply look for the download icon, then tap onto it and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is completed, you can open up the installer and follow the on-screen instruction to install the program. Now after it's installed, launch user benchmark and just like that, click run to start benchmark test. The software will automatically test your processor, graphic card, memory, and storage performance. When the test is finished, your result will open in a browser where you can see how your PC compares to other systems with similar hardware. That is how you can run a benchmark test on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.